Description of the startup screen for the basic program of HU-200, Easy Programming Software 2. Button to open the 4 program setting screens, including Program, Cleaning Setting, Soldering Condition, and System Setting. Display of running program name. Column to enter position information for the robot and travel coordinates with numerical values. The setting column is arranged with the following items. Input item column to set the z-axis retract coordinate for safety purposes and various feed rates. Home button for robot home position return. Dry run for the action of the robot only without feeding solder, and the cleaning button for the cleaning action. Column to select joystick action speed and inching pitch travel amount. Column for task information to display task elapsed time. Column for running program to display loaded program. Start button. The startup screen consists of 8 columns. The HU-200 is capable of action just by setting the positioning information for soldering and the soldering condition to allow easy programming of the soldering robot for any person. There is no need to learn a language dedicated to the PLC and robot. Let's create a soldering program for 1 point to see how easy it is. Pressing the Program button on the startup screen opens the program list. Enter the name in the last column of the program names in the list for creating new program. Selecting the line in which the name is set, and then pressing the Edit button opens the Work Origin screen and the Program Editing screen. Double-clicking the line of Step 1 opens the Point Editing screen. Then use a joystick to move the robot to the position for soldering. Press the button Current Position Setting to enter the position information of robot in the column for the endpoint. This endpoint is the coordinate for soldering. Position to send the primary soldering is offset automatically. Then, in the soldering mode, select PS for point soldering, DS for drag soldering, or none for just a movement of robot. For selection of PS or DS, enter the number of soldering condition list in the column of soldering condition. Then, select the number for cleaning to add cleaning to the action. In addition, enter a check for selection before or after the action for the cleaning. This concludes the setting of soldering for 1 point.